How to draw a straight line in Canva. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. I will show you how we can actually draw a line easily in Canva and make it functional. So basically we have this hierarchy charts, for example, and we want to draw a straight line to connect them. So it's a little bit complex here. It's not just a straight line and that's it. No, we are actually going to play around with them and just show you how it actually works. So we would want to just go ahead and open up a design. We can just go to elements, and then from elements you can already see we have the option for lines and lines only. So we have shapes here, and if we just click on see all, we can actually see we have different types of lines that we can actually use. And if you want to use any of them, you can just go ahead and click on it, and it's just going to generate the line for us. We can just move it around. So if this is pretty much all you want, then that's how you do it. You can just feel free to make it shorter, as you can see, or longer. And I will show you how to get rid of this annoying attach thing, which is not really, I mean, I get it is annoying, but at the same time it is very helpful. But we can actually do this, and it's just going to make things a lot easier for us to change sizes and everything. And I'm just going to talk about everything in here. So let's just go ahead and start adding lines here. So again, elements, and I'm just going to select this first line here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect this with the bottom of this rectangle here, and I'm just going to hold shift just to stick it in place here. It's not going to stick to anything else really. And we can just go ahead and move it upwards a little bit. And also, I did not mention this, we can actually change colors for the line. So we can actually make it green, for example, or orange, or any color that you actually want. I'm just going to leave them as black for the time being. And you can also change the weight of the actual line. You can see now it is a rectangle, but you get the idea. So we have a line here, which is now stuck to this, and we have it, we want it to basically have it 1, 2, 3. So now we just need a horizontal line. So what we can do is just go ahead and duplicate this instead of, adding another one, just to maintain the line style, which is the weight and stuff and the color and everything. Just we can just click on the 3 dots, duplicate, and we can just go ahead and make it horizontal. So we can just go ahead and first move this down while holding shift. Just make sure that the placement is correct here. So we can just go ahead and drag it like so, and then we can just move it upwards, and now we are pretty much good to go. And now we can just go ahead and duplicate this, or add even an arrow line here instead, where we can just hold shift again, just make it downwards, and we can just go ahead and drag it so it sticks to this, and then we can just hold shift and make it stick to that. Now it is a little bit to the side, so we can just go ahead and do that, and now it is actually fixed. And we just basically duplicate it once more, and we move it accordingly like so, and duplicate one more time and move it accordingly. And this is pretty much how to draw straight lines with Canva. This is even more complex than just a straight line. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.